Hello and welcome to Your Guitar Guide, the channel where I'm going to help you find your sound with guitar lessons, music, and gear reviews. And if this is your first time here, have a look around and consider subscribing for more guitar tips and tricks. Today I'm going to show you how to master the A guitar chord with 3 tips, and that's coming up. I don't want to waste your time, but if you're a beginner guitar player and you want to learn how to play guitar, check out Sharon's Guitar Academy. It's the fastest way I know that you can learn how to play guitar. The link's in the description below. Now, let's zoom in and let me give you 3 tips on how to master the A guitar chord. On the A chord, the first finger is going to be here on the D string at the 2nd fret. Your second finger's on the G string, 2nd fret. Your third finger's on the B string at the 2nd fret. And when you're playing the A chord, you're going to want to pick the A string also, which is the 5th string. Now, when you're playing any chord, including the A chord, you want to try and stay behind this fret as close as possible, which is going to be hard when you're all 3 fingers are crammed in there. But make sure you're playing on the tips of your fingers. You want to be right here. See the crease? Playing on the tips of your fingers. And another thing is, when you're playing the A chord, you're going to also play the A string, which is the 5th string. If you're starting out, learn how to play it with 3 fingers. But then, once you get good at it, you can use your first finger, and you're going to hold it across the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string, and you're going to play from 5 all the way down. To do that, you're going to have to put a little bit of force against the strings, not too much, just enough to hold them all down. The next step is to never play that 6th string when you're playing the A. Doesn't sound very good. So just play from the 5th string down. Something's... And my final tip is to be sure and click that thumbs up button. That lets YouTube know to go ahead and promote this video. And don't forget to watch that video next. Thanks.